welcome to Take With Mo. Today we're going to explore the world of machine learning. If you're new to this, don't worry. We'll break it down step by step so it's easy to follow along. What is machine learning? Imagine teaching a child how to recognize different animals. You show them pictures of dogs and cats, and over time they learn to tell the difference. Machine learning is similar, but instead of a child, we use a computer, and instead of pictures, we use data. Machine learning is a method that allows computers to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. It's used in many applications like recommendation systems. Think of Netflix or YouTube, self driving cars, and even language translation. Types of ML machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning. There is supervised learning and unsupervised learning, and there is reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, think of this as a teaching a computer with examples. For instance, you give it a set of data where you know the input, for example, picture of a dog, and the output, the label dog. The computer learns to predict the output from new inputs. Unsupervised learning. Here, we don't give the computer labeled examples. Instead, it tries to group data based on similarities. A real life example could be organizing photos into clusters based on similarities without knowing what's in the photos. Reinforcement learning. Think of it like training a dog. The computer gets rewards for taking good actions and penalties for taking bad ones. It learns through trial and error. Real world applications. Let's look at some cool ways of ML is being used. Healthcare, predicting diseases from patient data. We have finance, detecting fraudulent transactions. We have entertainment, personalized recommendation on streaming platforms. Let's look at simple example to see ML in action. We'll use Python and Google Colab, which is a free online coding platform. So if you haven't got an account, just sign up or log in and go to new, and from here Google Colab. Let's wait for this. Okay, so we import necessary libraries such as import numpy as np, and we've got import pandas as pd. We also data print will show the output, and we have simple data set, and we have here print PDF, which is our data frame here. So if we run this, sorry, we forgot the capital F here. That's all. Should be capital. So we got it working. Here we've created a simple data set where each feature is doubled to get the label. There is a basic example of the type of data we may use in supervised learning. In future videos, we'll use real-world dataset to show how we can teach a computer to predict labels like this. Thanks for watching. If you found this intro to machine learning helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. In the next video, we'll dive into how to use Python to manipulate and explore data. See you next time on Tech with Mo.